In this video, we will see a Blogger tutorial for beginners. Let's get started. Blogger is an American online content management system, which enables its users to write blogs. Create a beautiful blog that fits your style. Choose from a selection of easy-to-use templates, all with flexible layouts and hundreds of background images, or design something new. Once you start your journey as a blogger and get traffic, you can get paid for your hard work. Google AdSense can automatically display relevant targeted ads on your blog so that you can earn income by posting about your passion. To get started, first of all, create an email address and then create your Blogger account. I already have an account. So, let's move to my account. Here we are on my homepage of blogger.com from the left side. If I click over here, you can see the new blog option. Click over here. Now, enter a title for your blog here. Click over Next. Here, choose a URL for your blog. It will be a web address that helps your audience to find you on search engines. Enter a unique URL that is not already used. Once you decide on an address, click over Save. You can see the blog is created. Now, let's go to a new blog option and open it. Here, in this box, enter the text that you want to write. I will enter the same line that I use for the blog name. Now, let's select the line, and then explore the upper bar of the box. From here, we can bold the text. You can make the text italic, underline, or strike through the text. You can also change the text color from here. You can see the text color is black. Let's select this line. I am going to change the color of this line. Open the color section and choose any color that you like. I will choose this one. Go back, and you can see the text color is changed. You can also change the text background color. You can insert a link to text in your blog and add an image to make your blog active. And also there is video adding option. You can add special characters to your text. If you click over these three dots, you can see more options. You can set text alignment in the blog and increase the indent of the text. You can see as I click over the increased indent, the text moves on the right side. And from here, you can decrease it. You can add bullets and numbering to make a list. You can convert text into quotes, inset jump breaks, left to right and right to left layout. You can select any language here, and in the last, clear all data and changes we make. From here, you can add text into the HTML view or in the Compose view. Let's change the text font. Select the text. And open this drop-down and choose any style. You can see the text font is changed. Let's select again and change the font size from here. You can set labels from here. You can check the publish date and also change it from here. You can generate automatic or custom permalinks. Put your location address or choose from the map. In more options, you can allow comments for your audience or not. Once you are all done, you can open to preview your blog to see what it looks like before posting for your audience. Once you are all done, click over Publish. Let's go back to the dashboard. In the post section, you can see all the posts that you generate. I just created a post that you can see on the right side. In States, you can see the number of followers, posts that you generate, and comments on those posts. You can see the last 7 days stats of your latest post, number of visitors, total posts, and number of pages. In comments, you can explore the audience's comments and questions that they ask after reading your blog and their view on that particular topic. Once you meet the criteria of the Blogger website that they set, your earnings will start and you have to add an AdSense account to earn money and withdraw. You can explore all your pages from here. You can set the layout of your Blogger website. You can add a gadget and move any section by dragging. Let's add a gadget. You can explore all these gadgets one by one yourself. I will open the image gadget. Here enter the title of the image. You can add a caption and add a link to the image. You can select the image by URL or upload an image from a computer device. You can also shrink the link from here. You can customize the layout of your Blogger website according to your need. Let's open the theme section. Here is my current theme that was installed. You can explore all themes by scrolling. You can choose any theme for your website. I will choose this one. I will click over Apply. And customize it. I just created a Blogger account, so I have not uploaded any content yet. Let's add a background image from here. Choose the type of image you need. Choose an image and click over Done. Image is added. Change the main color theme from here. In advance, you can change the body color, font color, hover, link, and blog title font. In Gadgets, you can add all sections and pages. Let's go back. Open Settings. You can see the basic settings. You can set it to adult content, add your favicon, set privacy, publishing address, custom domain name, permissions, and number of posts that you can post per day, week, or month. In the reading list, you can check the blogs that can help you in your blogging and help you earn money from your content. In the last option, click Overview Blogs. I have not made any posts yet, so the website is empty. But all your data will shown here. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.